Assalamu alaikum dear students, my name is Salman Qaisrani and welcome to BS Nursing second semester Expository Writing, final term. In today's quick overview, we'll cover two questions which are from the past paper of UHS exam, which are in front of you as well. First, we will discuss about the paper quickly, and then we will have practice regarding the final exam preparation as well. So first, let's have a quick look at the paper, and as I told you that we will discuss about the paragraph and essay related question. As you can clearly see, first I am highlighting this question number 2, which is in front of you, which states that university recently organized an event. It means a seminar, cultural day, or a sports week. Write a paragraph which should be based on 250 to 300 words in detail describing the whole event, including your personal experience as well. So let's break down this question first. So it is related to university event paragraph based on 250 words, 250 to 300. Doesn't mean exact 250, doesn't mean exact 300 words. It should be between a limit of 250 to 300. It can be 270, 280, 290 as well, but it not less than 250 words, you can say. So it can be a seminar, a cultural day, or sports week, and you must also include your personal experience in this as well. So first of all, you have to clearly understand that what is the examiner looking for. Okay, in this question it clearly states that it should include a paragraph, so your answer should not be based on more than 2-3 paragraphs. So make it sure that it should be based on one paragraph. So you will start with one clear topic sentence, as you know, which is the base of writing a paragraph. You will start with topic sentence, and after that you will have to make your strong sporting points as well, and you must also use linking words in this paragraph, and again a strong concluding sentence is also very important. And after that you will discuss about when this event has happened, what activities you have done, and what was your personal experience or what you have learned from this experience as well. Next, let's have the second topic based on again 5 marks. Write a paragraph of 250 to 300 words about excessive use of social media by youth. Again, you have to write on a paragraph. And now here what really matters is that you have to excessive use of a paragraph must include cause and effect elements. Now you have to write 2 paragraphs. One paragraph will be about cause, and the next paragraph will be about the effect elements, which you can clearly see stated over here. Now that was the overview, and in today's lecture what we are going to do, we will discuss these essays in detail, how you can practice it as well, and how can you prepare those lectures for exam point of view as well. So moving on, and the next slide, let's see. Yes, here practice writing topics with detailed outline. First, as you know, we will discuss about cause and effect and descriptive and comparison paragraph practice. And you know, cause and effect, we have just given you an example as well. And today's lecture is very important because we will learn how to write strong paragraphs using ready to practice topics and detailed outlines. By the end of this session, you will be able to write cause and effect paragraph, descriptive paragraphs, comparison paragraphs as well. So mostly students ask me the question why we need cause and effect of these descriptive and comparison essays practice for exam point of view as well. So it is very clear. Basically most students who are in the nursing profession in the future, they have to make patient notes and observations, report and case summaries, health awareness messages as well. So these things are very important for your future point of view if we talk about. So let's talk about the first topic, that is about cause and effect, which we have given you the example as well. Now we have created another example for you students. The first one is impact of online gaming addiction on students as well. So let's practice it. The first one is of course you also know each paragraph starts with the topic sentence. So we will write down that online gaming addiction has become a serious issue among students as well. So which is written over there for your reference. Online gaming addiction has become a serious issue. Now you will have to discuss what are the causes and what are the you can say effect of this addiction to the student. So first we will have to discuss about the causes, as you can clearly see. So for your reference, easy access to smartphone and internet, peer influence, stress relief and escape from reality, attractive rewards and competitive features. So these are the main points which are related to causes, and you can consider them your outline basically points, you can say. So if you are able to make these outlines, then you are able to write down and use these sentences into essay as well, which we will practice at the end of the this lecture. Next, related to this, as the examiner asks you write down about the cause and effect, we will talk about the effect question as well. So the first main point is poor academic performance. Of course, students use cell phone, they have a poor academic performance, sleep disturbance and reduced physical activity, social isolation, and conclusion. Of course, the examiner asks you which states in the question what are the cause and effect, need for balance and responsible use. Like if any students wants to use mobile phone, so there must be a balance and responsible use of it. Okay, so which is clearly stated here. So moving on, next one, in the next slide, if again, like as I told you, we are practicing the similar question which can come in your exam, and the next question is based on effect of fast food consumption on young people. So again, we'll have to write down about the causes. First, whenever a question comes in your in your exam paper, first make an outline quickly. I request you, all the students, after the completion of this lecture, they must start writing, creating outline. If you are able to make an outline, then you can easily write down the sentences related to this topic. So first topic again, effect of fast food consumption on young people. Those students who say that it is a positive thing, they will write in favor, and those who think that it is a bad habit, they will write down about the negative aspect of that, which will be stated in the topic sentence. So increasing fast food consumption has serious consequences. So first we'll talk about the causes: busy routine, aggressive marketing, convenience and low cost, and taste preference as well. So what are the effect? Obesity, health problem, low energy levels, poor eating habits are. So if you have made these outline points, you will say busy routine. Let's talk about the first point. You can clearly state that nowadays people are so much busy, they have no time, they don't have free time to cook anything at home. That's why they prefer to order online. That is the first reason that young people prefer to order food, fast food, because they have no time, they are busy in their working life. Aggressive marketing is the second point, because nowadays the fast food restaurant, they advertise 24 hours, you can say, everywhere, not only at home. You can watch their advertisement television, but you can see the billboards as well. So you have to first make an outline. After that, you have to write down the sentences related to these points. Next one, as we have seen in your exam, there was a question: describe an event which held in your college or university which you have attended as well, and you have to share your personal experience as well. So that is something, if you remember, in your chapter number 2, expository writing, we have studied about different types of expository writing. So here this is known as descriptive writing. Descriptive writing means you have to use your all sensory details to describe an event. So first of all, try to make a story. It should not, it is not important that the story should be realistic, or it should has happened in reality as well. You have to fake it until make it. Basically, you have to make your own story. Okay, so let's have describe a workshop organized by your department. This is descriptive essay. So you will have to say what the workshop was about. Firstly, you have to choose either it was a prize distribution ceremony, it was a workshop, it was an awareness campaign, what kind of event it was. Okay, so it was a sports week as well, you can choose, but you have to pick that event about which you have maximum information. And now next, preparation, how you have decorated the room, who were the guest speakers over there, what arrangements you have made as well. And after that, main activities, what activities you have conducted, and was there any specific speeches, specific national anthem, if we talk about presentation, participation as well, personal experience. That is very important question. Now you have to say what have you learned after that event. Have you enjoyed it, or there were some specific things which you didn't like about the event, and any specific areas of improvement which you want to mention as well, and overall success and impact. Now here there is a second example related to that descriptive paragraph. Describe your college annual prize distribution ceremony. Again, you have to say, you have to make a story. When did it happen, where it happened as well, जगह कौन सी थी जहाँ पर ये इवेंट हुआ, एंड सेकेंडली कब हुआ ये. यू हैव टू चूज अ स्पेसिफिक, which specific area of your college has this annual prize distribution ceremony as well, and which specific year or semester students has been included in that specific annual prize distribution ceremony as well. So basically I have break down again the topic for you. Chief guest introduction is very important. Award distribution, you can mention what they have given to the student who stood first, second, third, fourth as well, and culture performance as well, and your feeling and memorable moments. You can also mention the point that you were very excited because you have come to know that you have got the first position in the second semester or the third semester, whatever. Because basically writing is almost related to making a fake story, but it should be grammatically correct, okay, and it should be up to the mark of examiner expectation as well, and what was your overall expression as well. So again we have again another topic we have, that is about public versus private university students. So no, as I told you earlier, in today's lecture we will just talk about cause and effect and descriptive paragraph writing. So students, I have given you an overview, and I have just discussed these two questions with you, and I have shared some similar example topics with you as well. So if you have any question, you can write down in the comment section. And thank you so very much for listening this lecture, and good luck for your final term exam. Thank you, students.